Hello, you're welcome back to another episode of Excel Tips. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can insert charts or do a graphical representation of data in Excel. So to insert charts in Excel, first of all, we will make sure we will go to the insert ribbon. So after clicking on the insert ribbon, we will move straight to the charts section. So on the charts section, we have a lot of charts and other things that can be used for data representations over there. So in this video, or for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use the donut chart. So for me to be able to use the donut chart, so I'll just point to this thing here looking like a pie chart. I'll click on the drop down arrow. After clicking on the drop down arrow, I'll move straight forward to the donut. So I'll select the donut. After selecting the donut, you can see that there is a white space showing over here. So on this white space, you can see nothing. And the white space is called chart area. For you to be able to represent this data in a graphical form, you will have to select them and insert them into this chart for them to display here. And to do that, what we have to do is to make sure we are on the chart design ribbon. So here it has automatically been selected. So after it has been selected, we will move straight forward to the data section, which is this section. And in that section, we can see select data. I'll click on the select data. After clicking on the select data, there is a field over there which is chart data range. With the chart data range, it helps us to select the range of cells which we want to use for the chart. So here I'll just make sure I've selected that field. The next thing that I'm supposed to do is to select the range of cells which I want to use for the chart. So I want to use this range of cells for the chart. So I'll select it. Now it has been selected. So if I click on OK, you can see that it has displayed the chart here. But there is one thing. We are having three charts, which the first one is for the income column, the second one is for the savings column, and then the third one is for the expenses column. So we may only want to display the income column on the chart. So here, what we are supposed to do is to make sure you click on this filter button here. After clicking on that, there will be a list of options on the right side of the chart. So in that options, we have values and names. So here, I'll just make sure I've selected values. And then with the value section, you can see that we have series and categories. So here, the series are the columns of the data that we selected. And then the categories are the rows of the data that we selected. So here, I would want to display only income, or I would want to display the chart for only income. So what I'm supposed to do is to click on select all. After clicking on select all, it will uncheck all the series or all the columns that has been selected. So after that, I can select income. After selecting income, I can click on apply. So when I come here, you can see that the chart that has been displayed is for only income column. So if I want to display the chart for some specific months only, I will only have to click on this button, that is the chart filters button. After clicking on that button, I'll go to the categories, which is for the rows for the specific range of cells that I selected. So now in my case, I would only want to display the chart for April, June, and August. So here I'll click on select all just to unselect all of the months that has been selected, and then I'll select April, June, and then August. After that, I'll click on apply. So after clicking on apply, you can see that I have April, June, and August. So doing this, if I want to make any comparisons between these 2 months, that is for the income, I can do that easily because I have only the April, June, and August in the chart. The method for inserting the donut chart is almost the same as inserting other charts, just like the histogram, the bar graph, the bar charts, the scatter diagrams. For them, you can also filter in between the data values that you have and then the columns and rows that you have. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you are watching me on Facebook and on TikTok, please don't forget to follow me and share for others to also learn.